Hi students, today we are going to learn about the chapter called Microsoft Word, and these are the subtopics we are going to look into it. The next one is this is the Microsoft Word window, and each menu has their respective name, like called ribbon, quick access toolbar. This and all you know already, but this is like a quick recap about Word. Let's start Word document, and here I type some content for the practical session. Here first in the ribbon section, first one I have to tell about is like font. For this computer system, if I need to change the font, go here, click this and Times New Roman, and the font size is 16. This is how you will change the font and the font size. If you want to make it as a bold, click here, and if I want to underline this, just click here. This is the underline. Okay, got it. Okay, now this is the main topic of the document. I want to bring this to the center of the page. How I can do it? Using this alignment. Here if you go, you have the center text. Click here. Now the computer system will move into the center of your document. So here you will have left alignment, center, right, and this justify. This justify will be used in your paragraphs only, not in the heading. For heading you will be using left, right and center. Okay, got it. Next one is how to save a document. Go to file, click a save, choose a location where you want to save your file. I have chosen a document folder in my computer and I am giving exercise 2.doc. So this is how you will save the document in the Word. Now if I want to highlight this particular computer system heading, how to highlight the using the highlight text color, right? So this tool is used to make the your word in the different look in the different color. Okay, click this tool, choose the color you want to highlight. So this is how you highlight the color. If you want to change the text color, your text now it is in black. If I want to make it as this maroon color, see the background of computer system is gray color. The text color is changed into the maroon color, right? Got it? Okay. Change the case for this heading. How to change the case for this heading means go here, click this, change case. I need to make it to the uppercase. Now my computer system is changed into the uppercase. If I want to make it as a lower case, you can click the lower case. Okay, capital is each letter means first letter of the word will be in the capital. See, can you see the difference? Okay, this is how you will change the case for your particular word. I have underlined this central processing unit and I changed the font size also to 16. The same thing I have to do it for processing unit. Instead of going and selecting over here, there is another shortcut method. Select this central processing unit, click the format painter and which word you want to do the same format. So I will select this whole processing unit and click it. That's it. It can be copy paste the same format whatever you used. Okay, and for example I'm selecting this word and if I click this is called a subscript. See, for the processing word it becomes as a subscript. Okay, and select this word and click superscript. If you see, for the processing word unit has become the superscript. This can be used in the mathematical equations and all. Okay, so I have done this. I need to undo this changes. How to do that? If you go here, you will have undo superscript. Okay, I need to do the undo of subscript also. Click again. See, now it came back to the normal one. Each time whenever modify the document, have the habit of saving your document. Okay, save. Item listed over here. Okay, this way of representing the document it is not good. So what I do, I will select this and I will go here. There is option called numbers and bulletins. Okay, first one is called numbers. Click this. It will have symbols. Any symbols, whatever you like, just click and give. See how does it look nice? Now it is looking nice, right? Again the same way, if I want to give numbers, go here. You have 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C, D, Roman number, whatever you want to, you can give. I am clicking this. So now it automatically changes. If I type any data, just click enter. Automatically the next number will come. Okay, this is how you will do. This is my paragraph. I need to give spacing between the lines in the paragraph. How can I give? Go to this. This is called lining and spacing. Now I am giving my line spacing about 2.5. Can you see the difference? Select this. Go here. Again I will be changing it to 1.5. That's it. This is how you will give line spacing in the paragraph. And the next one is called find. If your document has more than 10 pages, 12 pages, if you want to find a word, use this command find. The window will open. Now I will give ALU. See, if I give ALU word and click the enter, what are the word you are searching, it will be highlighted. Okay, next one is called replace. Here in replace, I need to replace the word ALU with the arithmetic logic unit. Okay, I have typed in this 2 bar and click replace. Yes. Okay, just close and go on CC. Now my ALU will be changed into the arithmetic logic unit. And next one, create a border for the text. Select this computer system and click over here. See, you will have different types of border, how you want to set a border for the particular text. Now I am going to click for all borders. Understand? This is how a page layout. In the click margins, you have different types of margin. First one is normal, narrow, moderate, wide and mirror. Okay, the default will be normal. If you want to make it as a narrow, just click here. You can see that a ruler, this is a ruler, we will be adjusting to the left and the right side. Got it? From this edge of this document till the content, the space is called the margin space. Orientation. Now my document is in the portrait. If I want to change it to landscape, you can do it. Now you will understand. See, this is the this is the landscape. If you want to change it to the portrait, see the difference? Okay. Now how to print the document? File, print. You have to select your printer. You have to give the printer name. If it is not listed over here, click add printer and add your printer name. Okay, and next go to the number you want to print, and here number of copies to be printed, like 1 copy or 2 copy, and then click print. That's it. If you want to go back to your document, click escape. That's it. It will come back to your document. Go to page layout and click the page borders. Here there are n number of different types of page borders are given. You can select whatever you want. Here I am going to select this page border and click apply. To the whole document it will be applied. This is how you will set the page border. Go to review and click the spelling and grammar. Click this. The word itself will automatically check any spelling and grammar mistake in your document. There is no spelling and grammar mistake, so I will click OK button. Okay. Next one is called thesaurus. If you want to find meaning for a particular word, just copy and put it over here and click this green button. The meaning for this word will appear over here. This is how you will find the synonyms for the particular. If your document is having more than 2 pages, I request you to insert a page number in the document. For this, go to insert tab and here you will find the page number. Click here. At what point you want to add the page number, either top of the page, bottom of the page, or page margins and all. Okay, so I will select bottom of the page and this one. Click here. See, now you can see that one is added. It's called header and footer. If you want to add header, click this and click the blank one, text, and you can align this text also whatever way. I will bring it to the center. It will be reflected in all pages, so manually you not need to go and edit in every pages. Okay, and this page number, it is called the footer. We already added using the page number, so no worries. This is a header and footer topic. Insert symbol, the square root, for example, square root, less than, greater than, divide, plus, minus, everything will be fine here. Alpha, beta, So for the maths and physics chemistry you can use this. Here I'm going to add alpha. Just click it. And if you want to find more symbols, go here more. This window will be opened and you can choose whatever symbols you want to see. Here they have given subset also. If you want to select Latin, according to this symbols will be appearing. Okay, select this, insert. Wherever you want to insert in the document, it will get inserted. If I want to put data in the rows and column wise, there is an option called table in the Word. So to create a table, go insert, click this table, and default it will give the rows and columns. Here 1 into 1, it means one row and one column. You can see the one row is created in the Word document. If I select this, 2 columns will be created. Okay, so like this way you can create a table. Select horizontal selection is called row and vertical selection is called column. Okay, for example, what you do, if you click inside the table, you will get 2 additional tab called design, and next one is called layout. Okay, just go to the layout. You can see the height and width of the particular cell. If you select this particular thing, this is called as a cell. Okay, what I do, the height is okay for me. I need to reduce the width, so here I'm going here and giving it as a 2. Can you see the difference? Okay, you can either do by this way or you can use the mouse pointer and the left and right key. Okay, and if you want to enlarge this whole table also, you can do like in this way, and you can align this table also, like how select the particular row, go home, change the font size, font length, even you can highlight the color. Select this particular row, go to the design and click shading. Here you will get different colors. Whichever color you want, just select and click. Now you can see the color is added to the particular first row. Okay, next thing is alignment. I need all the data to be aligned in the center, so select whatever the cells you want to align to the center. I want to align it to center. Click the center or to the right, anything. And next one is text direction. Suppose I'm selecting this name and click the text direction. See, upside down, anything, whatever the way you like, you can do that. And next, right click the particular cell and go to insert column to the right. Okay, so new column will be added. Suppose if you want to add a new row in after the last one, click insert row below and above. You have many options. Whatever the thing you want to use, you can use it, no problem. And the border for this table, click this icon. Your whole table will be selected, and then go to the border. I'll be choosing the outside border. Just click this, and here I want to convert this to the table. So select this, go to insert table. You'll have the option called convert text to table. So click this. Here it will ask for how many number of columns. You can see 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. And how to separate a text. So I have entered, so math space 90 space pass. So here I will choose the option called other, and in this box you enter one space and click OK. See, now the whatever you entered as a text, it is converted into table automatically. To delete an entire row, just select this entire row, go to layout. Here you'll have the option called delete rows. Click that. See, the row is getting deleted. If I want to delete a column, select the entire column, right click, you'll have delete column option. Click that also. This is how you delete rows and columns. You see the newspaper, there is a concept called page columns. It means the single page can be divided into 2-3 sections. Okay, I will tell you how to do that. For that, go to page layout and columns, click here, and if you click the 2, your page will be divided into two section. See, as you can see, this is the left side and this is the right side. And if I click this into 3, see, 1 2 3. To change the page color, click this and change the page color also. Okay, coming to your assignment part, students, you have to create a new, open the new Word document and you have to save it as a exercise 2. Okay, now you have to go to the first page, insert the header and footer. Okay, in the header you have to give the computer class, and footer you have to give the page number. Okay, and you have to choose any page color. It's up to your choice. In the first page, okay, in the first page there are two questions I have given. First question is, let text in a word, what are the shortcut keys you can use? That is the first question. Second questions, you have to find the shortcut keys for the below command. For example, if you want to save a document, open a document, save as, that is a save as. Third one is a save as, print a document. For this and all, for this you have to find the answer and write it in the first page itself. Okay, coming to the second page, you have to create a table as shown in here. See the comparison of the wired media. You have to create a same table with the same color, everything in your second page. Okay, and you can apply the border for this table. Here I didn't apply, you have to apply that color also, you can choose, up to you. Shading I have given, see for the first rows I have given blue, second one is yellow color. So the same you have to do in the second page. Okay, in the third page you have to write any of your two hobbies, and you can insert a picture also in that. After doing that, you have to split the page into two columns. Means, as we discussed the page column, right? Using that concept, you have to split the page into two columns. So in the single page, your left side will be the first hobby and the right side will be the second hobby information. Anything you can write, it's up to you. This is the assignment, students. See you in the next class. Bye.